All right, so we have good news and we have bad news. Our tire is now sitting very closely to the rig. Before we used to be about 4 or 5 inches higher, but now if you take a look, we're actually touching the rig with our tires.
Can I get a jack so I can fix this rig?
At 7:15. We are about to do a big project here. As you can see, our patio is up. We have the slides in, and what we're doing today is, I think because of all the topas and stuff, I'm not quite sure, there are these cushions above our tires, and what they do is they help just kind of soften our load, I guess, between the axles. And so MORryde, I believe, makes them. I'm looking at them now. Anyways, they have to come off today. But it's not the MORryde cushion piece that we were thinking. Now that we kind of got in and got under the rig a little bit more, we realized that the leaf spring, there's a section of the leaf spring that holds the rig up, and it actually completely broke. So now we have to find a welder. And we want to get it done today because we finally found the tire guy to raise our 20,000 pound rig. So thank goodness it's early in the morning, but it's starting to get hot. This is our third attempt today. Jason tried the first day and we couldn't get it up with our jack. The ground having gravel, as you can see, it wasn't secure enough. Yesterday we were able to get a better jack, and we honestly wanted to do one side at a time. But as Jason took the 2 wheels off yesterday, we realized that it was not going to happen, and we have to actually have the rig completely lifted so that the axles can hang. So Jason went down to the end of the road. There's a guy there waiting for us. We're gonna pick him up, and he's so cool. He actually, the truck stopped by at the edge of the road. If they need tire repair or something, he quickly helps them, and then on they go. Just because Lo de Marcos is actually near a very busy highway. So yes, it's gonna be a great day, and it's 7:30 in the morning. We're normally sleeping. But anyways, wish us luck. And this is when we miss the luxury of the States. Normally we could just take our rig into an RV repair. They could just quickly lift it up, you know, probably have the whole job done in an hour. But we're in Mexico, so this is what we do. You learn that you have more time on your hands, and you just try to do your best to get the job done. We had the part in how many days, Blair? How many days do we have the part?
3.
3 days. Yep, and they said it was under warranty, no problem, so they sent us 2 of them. But the problem is what? They should be vertical, but they're horizontal right now.
Yeah.
So we just sent them some pictures, and they said, no, that's not right. I'm so glad we did, huh, Blair? So this is going to be our fun little project today. We have 3 wheels, 3 axles, and in between those axles, or those wheels right there, you can see a faint little yellow thing. That has to come off. Lily.
Hola.
What are you guys doing?
We just made a base.
You just made a base.
Yeah.
So we have all of our stuff out from the side of the rig into this little outdoor kitchen. And this is when I just love. I love these times.
So it's not the suspension part. We actually have 2 broken rear leaf spring brackets. So the 2 brackets at the back are supposed to be vertical.
All right, and so one important thing I wanted to share and just remind you is that it's really important that you keep up with your maintenance. You know, I don't know if you've seen my other video, and it's 9 steps to full-time RVing. One of the things I talk about is that when we first started RVing, I went through all the manuals and I took down the maintenance schedule, and then I just saved them in my phone. So we get weekly reminders, monthly reminders, 6 months and a year. And of course, one of them for the 6 month was to check the wheels and the axles and look at all of that.
Hi. So
Okay.
we just got back from the pool. Oh, we had to cool down. It's been so hot today. It's been unbelievably hot and humid, but it's all fixed. I think almost better than before, I'd probably say.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had a couple of great guys out here and to help us, and a local mechanic, a tire guy, and then
Looks so much
one
better.
of my friends, welder friends, like on the spot, he just came down and helped us, which is very Mexico.
Yeah,
Not like
right?
America where you know, make an appointment and we're not available.
Yeah, have to wait.
And then the whole job cost us $60, you know, for the whole day of work, the welding as well as
Yeah.
the mechanics.
A last minute welding job.
Yeah, so $60, all fixed, and we're back on the road.
Yay! In Mexico.